Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Tuesday and I'm on my lunch break. I'm having some leftover Thai food that we got yesterday. And I have a few clips from yesterday that I want to show you, so I'm just going to put them in right now.
Hey there, YouTube. We're gonna let you in on a Benda family tradition. And it's our family tradition that we started, which is we both have a terrible time not giving each other gifts. And so we kind of steal a little bit of the holiday, we spread the holiday cheer across the season, which is basically throughout December when we can no longer wait to give the other one their gift, we give them their gift. So anyway, without further ado, this is what I got Kayla.
Yeah, we literally, it'll be like 3 or 4 days.
Shh, open the present.
It'll be like 3 or 4 days and we're like, you want a gift? And then the other person will be like, no! And then
Open the present.
Okay. This great wrapping job.
I just want you to open it. You won't even care about it in 2, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's right. That's right, that's right. That's right. So,
You know, I love her. So it's from A Court of Thorns and Roses. And
yeah, the
you have to read it to
hottest tea in Corinthian. Hi, lords, and hot tea. Bon appetit. Now accepting payments in chicken. It's the best. I thought you would love it. I looked everywhere.
British laugh.
It came from the UK, so.
Oh my god, I love it. It's perfect.
Yeah, and it's like, I thought you could dress it up. It's purple, your favorate color, so it matches.
I want this like cream color because I could put a blazer on it.
Yeah, so.
Be happy.
I figured you would be, but that's.
It's so good.
What do you want? Hey, what's up? We just talking? We're done talking. Yeah. No. What's going on? What do you want, bub? Is Timmy trapped in a well? Is it because Mom walked away? They're infatuated with her.
Yeah, I caved too. And gave him his apron. Like the most Ron Swanson ever. Say the line.
I know more than you.
Yeah.
I don't know why I said it like that. It sounded like I was sick. I know more than you. I know more than you.
You were to tell me that I'm wrong.
You're telling me that I'm wrong?
So yeah, Alex and I just have this tendency to want to give each other our gifts super early. And so basically we've already given each other all of our Christmas gifts already, and it's December 7th. I am wearing the shirt he got me. I love it. Makes me so happy and it's so cozy. I never wear graphic tees, so this might become a thing where I just buy t-shirts based on the books I've been reading. So I need to find some Blood and Ash ones because I've been reading the Blood and Ash series, which is phenomenal. The first book I felt was a little slow, mostly because I didn't know what it was about or like the theme of fantasy it was. And then it picked up so quick. I finished the second book like nothing. I was just like powering through that thing on the third one. I've kind of been saving it for the plane ride because we are going to Alex's parents in Virginia to see them for the holidays. I don't think I've seen them in over a year, so it would be really nice to catch up with them and, you know, just like see how their house building is going. They are building in a whole house. It's beautiful from the photos and I haven't seen it since like the ground was flattened, so it's been ages. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for that little trip. I might tack it onto this one, or if there is a lot of footage, I'll break it up or whatever. It doesn't matter to you how you digest it. If you digest it, it will be coming to you nicely plated. I don't know where this metaphor is going, but earlier today I had a dentist appointment, but before that, I hate the dentist, like let's not even get into it. Before that, I went and got my nails done with my friend Taylor, who I see basically every week for coffee, but she goes occasionally to get her nails done, and I think I've gotten my nails done like twice in my life, 3 times in my life. When I got engaged, when I got married, maybe one other time, and I wanted to see what all the fuss was about. So I I think they're called like dip nails. I don't know how to even show you guys this. I don't know what they're called, but they like put a nail at the tip of my nail and then dipped it in stuff. And I get it. I get it now, guys. I get it. I don't know how these are gonna work when I rock climb. I won't be rock climbing for about a week, so they'll be really nice until then. And I don't know how they're gonna work with it, but I love it and I want to do this frequently now, forever. But now it's time to get into that leftover Thai food I was talking about and maybe watch a couple of YouTube videos while I eat before getting back to my gross to-do list. All right, that lunch went by way too fast. I'm just returning a plate from yesterday. I don't even know what was on that plate yesterday, but bringing it back to the sink. I have been so hungry lately, like so hungry. I just keep wanting to eat and eat, and I'm just feel like a carb monster. I also left the microwave open, so best life over here. Fortunately, I don't like most of the snacks in here, so I'm gonna eat some of these ginger, like almond windmill. They're not ginger at all. Almond windmill cookies. I really like these, and the person who uses our laser and like cuts products for us, she brought some over, so I'm gonna eat a couple of those. I'm only gonna bring like 4 to the office, so I don't bring the whole thing, because I will eat the whole thing. Cat Advent is coming along quite nicely. Real cat, being cute as hell. Hi, bug. Okay, I'll let you do it, I'm sorry. I didn't really think this through, but my teeth really hurt after the dentist. And these are very crunchy and very hard. Oh. Will it deter me? No. But I will grimace with every bite. So good. Okay, I know like this whole vlog is about these damn cookies, but I didn't know they came in different shapes. I thought they were just windmills. Like, this is a guy on like a rocking horse. This is some sort of bird situation. When did they do that? When did that happen? Look at these guys. Oh my gosh, I wish I was you right now. Not gonna lie, I pack so lightly so I can always shove a pillow in every single one of my suitcases. We'll see how this one goes. I have quite a lot of presents. Once the presents are delivered, I should be fine. So I just need to get there with my pillow. And then we tighten up the expander. Bam! Did it. I also have a backpack. Obviously I'm packing for Virginia. I didn't say it because I suck at vlogging, but I'm packing for Virginia. So I have the presents and everything, and Alex has his own suitcase and all that. But then I have a backpack where I'm gonna put all my planning stuff and the vlog, my Kindle, that sort of thing goes in there. Also, this could have been my furniture, but it's not, and I am pleased.
We are here. This is my parents' house that they're building. It's super duper cool. Look at it.
The detailing is insane.
It is insane. It is when you pull up, it is the show.
Look at this entrance.
Can't get over these doors.
Wow.
These doors.
Wow.
Still have a little more shiny than I want.
Not me. It's perfect.
Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and as you can tell, it's like super dark outside at 9 in the morning. It's gray. It's gonna be a gray day today, but we are getting our booster shots today. I'm going to coffee with Taylor, and I have a meeting downtown, so I thought I'd round out the rest of this vlog with whatever I'm getting up to today. I already opened my advent calendars because I'm the worst. Plot twist, more cats. So before we head off to do our booster shot, I wanted to talk about the Blood and Ash series. I just finished the 3rd book and the 4th one comes out in March of next year. And if you have not read them, holy Moses, are they good. Like, I am obsessed with them as much as I am with A Court of Thorns and Roses. Those 2 series have like made my year. And the first book of From Blood and Ash was a little bit slow, but I think it was because I had no idea what it was about. So I was like, who is this maiden and like, what's she doing? But it picked up so quickly at the end, and then books 2 and 3 have just been like freaking insane. So if you're looking for a good fantasy book recommendation, or if you want to get into fantasy, these are the series of Court of Thorns and Roses or From Blood and Ash, because oh, I'm gonna be thinking about them for a long time, and you know that makes a good book.
Real cat, Advent cats. It's quite the cat lady arrangement going on over here. So for a couple of days there was like little presents you could put together, or this little like cat house, like they would use that, let's be honest. But today's cat was this guy. I really like that one. I mean, I love them all. I think it's so cute. Just the cutest. You're also pretty cute too. I turned around and this guy was just like, I'm cute too. Yo, I'm cute. I'm cute. So I was utterly crap filming today, but I'm home. I just took off my makeup and I'm going to spend some time in my planner. Since January is starting soon, I have my next one all lined up and I've been adding dates and things into it. And I plan on doing a monthly plan with me for it, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna add some more information. I got quite a lot of new dates and things to put in here for January.